Which year Malayalam typewriter invented? Answer 1935. Who invented the carbon paper? Pellegrino Turri. First commercial typewriter introduced in the year? Answer 1870. Which year touch system invented? Answer 1888. First commercially successful typewriter was invented by? Answer Christopher Scholz. Small size typewriter is called? Answer portable. Which company manufactured the first typewriter? Answer Remington. How many types of typewriter are there? Answer 2. കൂടുതൽ വീഡിയോസിനായി ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക.